I am on the street outside the Astor in downtown Delray Beach. The location here in downtown Delray is probably one of the best. We're 1 block north of Atlantic Avenue, and we're just a few short blocks to Federal Highway. You could walk to all the action, the nightlife, Pineapple Grove, and even the beach. So the Astor is probably the best location for a condo building in all of Delray Beach. This is 235 Northeast 1st Street, Unit 408 in the Astor. This particular unit is 883 square feet under air, plus it has a very large balcony facing east. This particular unit is probably one of the best one-bedroom values in all of downtown Delray Beach. Welcome to the Astor condominium pool. This is a saltwater pool. There's a grill area and a common area, and it's on the roof of the 225 building in the Astor. We have beautiful views of all of downtown, and you could actually see some of the buildings on the beach side.